Hey guys, so I've been tinkering on my 3D printer and I've been trying to develop some mounts. For example, I started with this mount, and this mount fits into a 380, 357, 9mm. Basically, it's just a mount you could use under a desk, on a wall, diagonally, maybe even this way, but usually it's just to hang, maybe like in the dashboard of your car, and it's actually held up. It's really been able to hold on to, a heavy 357 Magnum, full stainless 9mm, polymer and steel 9mm, and a 380 without a problem. So I decided, well, what else can I develop? And today I have this gun mount. It's a skeletonized rack, mini rack basically, and it's meant for my 12 gauge. So I'm going to show you real quick how it's fitted and what it's supposed to do. So what you see here is the gun mount, how it mounts and wraps perfectly around the shotgun. The two holes you see here are meant for like a rope tie or maybe even a bolt, just to lock it in place. Not necessarily for safe purposes, like and by no means, I mean, you could probably snap this thing off the wall. Right now it's standing on my bar top, but if I were to pick it up, it actually holds its weight. It really holds its weight, and it won't fall out. If I tilt it, it will fall out because it's meant to be easily snapped in and out. So if I actually turn the shotgun, it slips right out, and it's pretty easy to mount and dismount if need be for, just something to keep by your nightstand. This is a great little mount that I developed, and I will be installing it today in my closet, and I will show you if it's actually holding up pretty well. I know I definitely have one of my first iteration of these mounts on my nightstand, and it actually holds pretty well. I'll show you how this one pretty much handles the weight. For example, if I were to take this is yes, these are all fully loaded, because I want you to see the weight. So if I were to anchor this here and hold it vertically, it looks like it's bending because the bore is a little different, but that's actually holding the 9mm in place. Now, typically I would have this on a mount probably in this direction, a little diagonal, but for the most part, I mean, no cracks, no damage. It is meant to have a little bit of flexibility. The reason why I want that is because when you draw, you're never going to draw directly out from its position. So if it's diagonal, you're never going to pull straight out this way. You're going to grab it and just kind of bring it to you as fast as possible. So it needs to have some flexibility, because if it's too rigid, it will snap. Now with the 380, it'll definitely hold without a problem in any position, as you can see. And again, it's going to look like it's tilting. Let's say I had it diagonally, on the side of my car, like in the center console, so to speak. It holds it up very well without a problem. Same thing with the polymer 9mm. Trying to handle a camera. So if I were to turn it, this is pretty much the optimal position for me. Would be kind of in a diagonal position, just seated in this position here, and it does hold up. So I'm actually pretty happy with it. So there it is there. I mean, it really bends a lot, considering it's not the exact bore, so it does have a lot of wiggle room. If anything, I might wrap it with some grip tape or something, I don't know, but it definitely holds up. So we're gonna see if this bad boy holds up tonight. So I couldn't find a stud, so I ended up using wall anchors. So I don't know if that'll be a factor in how well it holds, but this is where it's gonna end up. Alright, so here's the bracket. just so you get an idea, you know, it's fully skeletonized, and it's all 3D printed. No magic here. Well, as you can see, I'll try to get the flash going, but it's in. It's almost touching the shelf up top, but it's definitely in. Let me see if I can get the flash going. Alright, there it is. Perfect. So there we are. That's my HHF rack. It's holding up very well. Just 2 bolts. I think it's about 4 inches tall. And I'm going to go ahead and string in my rope block, so it's basically just tamper resistant, so nobody could just walk up and grab it. You know, I have a lot of friends that come over, they don't know dilly squat about guns, and oh, you have guns, let me check this out. So this is my emergency kit right here, and it's ready to rock. There you have it, boys and girls. Sleek, skeletonized, lightweight, with a secure pin, so I could throw a rope lock on there. The rope lock actually keeps this a little bit more together. So you can see it does wiggle if it gets moved, but unfortunately I couldn't find a stud where I wanted it, and it was a little higher than I wanted it to be, so it was hitting the shelf, so I dropped it down a peg, and it fits. So check it out. If I get enough likes, I will definitely post a link to download the 3D file to 3D print this. It's for Mossberg 500 12 gauge. Thanks for watching.